Hey guys, it's been a while since I made a video. I don't know when even the last one I made was, so I figured I'd just show you what I'm up to and what I got going on, and kind of show you how to do something here. I think the last time I possibly was painting my hatch, my drag car. So yeah, lots happened since then. So let me check this out here. So yeah, you can see I got the front end and the doors painted. I still have not done the rear. It got real close to track time, and then I still haven't even been at the damn track yet. Every time I've gone, the 3 times I've tried to go on, it's fucking rained out, so no luck yet. So hopefully in October. But yeah, I got everything painted. Engine bay obviously is still fucked. I gotta do that probably this winter. I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, I did pick up another shell for $100. Rotted, rust, pretty good rust on it. It's what I wanted, but it was a one-owner car. All original interior, even with the tape deck, it was pretty dope. All complete. So I ended up having another extra K motor. I acquired a couple of them this past winter, but so this is a K24 out of a Ford 6-speed tranny. Yeah, passport mounts. Those are going to be switched out with my innovatives and my hatch. Here's how the train. So yeah, I converted it to manual rack. I bought a new manual rack. I had a buddy sandblast and just quick epoxy the subframe. I didn't know if it was all rotted or if there's any holes, so I didn't want to risk putting all the money into it if it's going to be fucked. But yeah, I still got quite a bit of stuff to do. I got the shifter cables and exhaust done in the half shaft. So just all the little stuff I actually still need. Yeah, there's a big hole there. I'm just kind of slowly patching in. That's whatever. I'm currently taking out the heater core right now to be able to mount the shifter cables, which is just stock type S box and stock cables. So yeah, that's kind of the new budget project. I'm like, so how do you say, like, way under budget right now, which is nice that I don't have a lot into this whatsoever. Anyways, so Pui Borpa has his all motor 9-second hatch here again, and he changed some stuff. I'm sure you'll see it at HJ coming up here in a few weeks, or WCF. So he went lean mounts, new Myers header, and so in this week we have to remount he cut up all the radius support up. So we gotta redo the radiator, mount that differently. After this next event, I think we're actually just gonna do the same and make just, you know, your typical drag, like how I did mine, skeleton, just a simple bar to hold the headlights and everything, just to clean it up a lot more. Kind of on time crunch for dyno right now. This tranny was, with the lean mounts, this tranny was touching the power rack, so we had to order that. So that should be here this week, and we'll convert this one to manual rack as well. So today we are starting off with the PCI control arm mounts, or control arm bushings. I did knock one out already, but your compliance bushings, that's a no-brainer how to put those in. Take the factory ones out, put these ones direct bolted in. I already got the one front bushing, PCI bushing pressed in, so I'm going to show you guys how to do that. It was a little confusing because we didn't have directions, and it's either, you know, it was either this one or that one, but then we figured out, you know, it's definitely not as wide as the new bushing, is definitely not as wide as this one. So yeah, we ended up finding out, yes, it is this one, but I'm going to show you how to do it. So you can use a press, whatever, or a ball joint tool. I have one from Harbor Freight. So all you got to do is find a piece of pipe, something the same diameter as the outer bushing. It'll sit around like that. Somewhat sit around it. It's not perfect, but it does the job. on. Then you take a bigger cup, you set it in here, put your control arm on top, and then press it, and I'll do a little demonstration here. Alright, you can kind of see how I got on there. I don't know, it might slip off here, we'll see. It takes a little bit. Just something like that, and then an impact or breaker bar or something. Whatever you want to use, but then they're just going to zap the fuck out of it, and this is going to be loud as shit. Yep, we got it slipped here. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. I got on there, you can see it's fucking barely on there, but it should work, but we're starting to go. So yeah, we're just gonna keep going until it falls out here. Sorry about the noise. There it is. And there's your old bushing. That's out there. We'll just kind of clean that up on the inside a little bit. Okay, so I put a little bit of grease on the inside just to help it press a little better. Now when you get these kits, they're all going to be torn apart in separate baggies. They come with instructions to, you know, put it together. So I previously did this a while back just to keep everything together and easier, so I just zip tied it off. So cut that. Now you're going to take these two outer pieces out. Well, that one's fucking in there. Put the foam down quick. Okay, sorry about that. Yeah, so we got those out, and I already put these rubber. There's little two rubber seals, or one rubber seal on each side. I just keep them in there. First, obviously, if you know how to use a press, then obviously this is not an issue for you. So you want to get that centered in there. And I'm going to go ahead and get this centered, and then I'll just show you how I'm going to put it back in easier. Alright, for this now, putting it back in, I'm just going to use my press. I just got the bearings sitting there, or bushing, whatever you want to call it, a piece of metal. And it only took me a couple whacks actually with a soft mallet, and it just set itself in there. Just going to slowly work on how that is. Slowly work it down there until it's flush on both sides. And that's probably where it's at right there. There you have it. So that's on. Flush both sides. Now you just come back and wipe your excess grease off too. It's probably a good idea. Get it right here quick. Like that. Smaller end obviously goes in. Both sides. And there you have it. So, you know, not a very time-consuming process to do it. Pretty easy if you got the right tools. I'm sure somebody has a better way of doing it, and I'll probably get criticized about it, but fuck them. Also, update on the lift if anybody was actually wondering. So it's been awesome so far, and now the only leak I have is out of the actual female coupler right here. This actual fitting right here, it's fucking leaking out of there pretty damn well, so I'm hesitant on even using the lift anymore right now until I actually go ahead and order new fitting. Other than that, it's still been a fucking dream to have. I just got some rugs the other day. I ended up getting one of those Harbor Freight 5-gallon oil drums. Oil changes are crazy better now. So yeah. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Sorry, probably boring as shit, but figured update for anybody that actually does watch my videos. But more I get into this Civic right now, I'll take you guys along for the ride for another video of how I'm doing the mounting brackets and everything for the radiator, whatnot. So, all right, thanks for watching.